What y'all are looking at right now is video footage of a place called the Lighthouse. It's in Suffolk, Virginia, and it has recently been said that this place houses a UFO reverse engineering program. Who said this? What's going on? What is this place? Let's find out. Let's dive in. Hi, I'm Patrick. This is Vetted. Hit that like button. It really helps us out. And comment down below what you think of this crazy story I'm about to tell you. All right. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We put out a new video every day, 12 p.m. Central Standard Time, USA. Let's jump in. All right. So we'll come back to this video, y'all. This is the tweet I'm referring to from Mike Disclosure. It's got 1.2 thousand likes. A confidential source who is retired from Lockheed Martin, okay, that's an aerospace company, has disclosed that the Center for Innovation, referred to as the Lighthouse, in Suffolk, Virginia, this is the way I said that, Suffolk, Virginia, is where the UAP Reverse Engineering Special Access Program is currently being run. The facility contains a SCIF and has SAP clearance, Special Access Program clearance, from the Department of Defense. Pause this video. Come back to that. Sorry, it was playing on something else. The facility contains a SCIF and has special access clearance from the Department of Defense. I ran an AI search to find more information on the facility, and this was the response I got. Unauthorized attempts to access secure facilities or obtain confidential information are illegal and may lead to serious consequences. As a public service, this information is being provided for disclosure of the truth to the American people and the public at large. Wow. So that's crazy. Look, we're always asking for names, places, like give us specifics, nuts and bolts. There's your nuts and bolts. That's pretty crazy. So I looked up some information on this place. All right, so let's just recap what this is saying. All right, this is saying that Lockheed Martin, private aerospace company that has been accused many times before, right? If you remember, Harry Reid accused Lockheed Martin of having UFO material, and that's what OSAP was about, the Advanced Aerospace Weapons System Applications Program, whatever, the one that Colm Kelleher and James Lukatsky ran. The one before ATIP that Lou Elizondo ran. I know that's a lot. Okay, so this is in the 2000s era. They had a UFO program, right? And they were trying to get a piece of a UFO from Lockheed Martin. A piece of a UFO or a UFO intact, whatever. I don't know the details of that. And Lockheed Martin wasn't letting them have it. Harry Reid tried everything. So now they're saying that Lockheed Martin, their Center for Innovation, okay, it's referred to as the Lighthouse in Suffolk, Virginia. That's where they're reverse engineering UAPs. And this video that I showed you at the beginning, this is a drone video of the place. So let's just watch it as we talk about this. So yeah, this is what I found. This is outside. Right here, we've got some information on it. The Lockheed Martin Center of Information, also known as the Lighthouse, a 50,000 square foot laboratory that provides both physical and virtual portals into the vast network of Lockheed Martin laboratories, research centers, and engineering facilities. We are the center for multi-domain integration, experimentation, wargaming, tabletop exercises, modeling and simulation, and decision analysis in both real and synthetic environments. Interesting. I mean, that's a beautiful place. So in here is where the reverse engineering is happening, or somewhere around here. But this is the Lighthouse. This is the place. This is what they're saying. This is what this confidential source. So one source. What do y'all think about this? So this is their website. I'm going to put links to all of this so y'all can check it out. This is their website. And let me move this a little bit so I can read this to y'all. The Center for Innovation, also known as the Lighthouse, represents the intersection of Lockheed Martin's commitment to national defense and passion for innovation. The center provides both a physical and virtual portal into the vast network of Lockheed Martin's laboratories, research centers, and engineering facilities. Designed as a 50,000 square foot high-end operations center, it is part of Lockheed Martin's investment in global research and development programs and infrastructure. Just looking for any clues in all of this, y'all. It is this unique infrastructure optimized for collaborative experimentation and analysis, which has facilitated numerous cooperative research and development agreements, CRADA, as well as human-in-the-loop, never even heard of that, HITL, experiments, human-in-the-loop experiments, and analytical efforts between Lockheed Martin and its government, international academic and industry partners. I mean, that just sounds shady right there, y'all. So I'm going to put a link to this. I mean, they have a website, which is crazy, right? So they have a website for a reverse engineering program. Would this be the perfect place to hide this? Right? I don't know. I did just a simple Google search. Let's bring this over. Okay, and it came up. It's got 12 Google reviews. An incredible facility with highly professional staff. That's love reverse engineering. One of the reviews. Love reverse engineering UFOs here. When I go to research UFOs, Lockheed Martin, the Lighthouse is where I go. 5 stars. Yeah. So there's some stuff on it. It's not like there's nothing to find on it. The NASA has a Center for Innovation visitor guide. Okay, I looked at that. I'll put a link to it. But what do y'all think of this? Is this place right here? Oh, let me move this down. There we go. This place right here. This is the place. Let's read this tweet again, just to recap. A confidential source who is retired from Lockheed Martin. Let's break this down, okay? So one source, confidential, is anonymous. Retired from Lockheed Martin, so no longer works there, has disclosed that the Center for Innovation, referred to as the Lighthouse in Suffolk, Virginia, is where the UAP Reverse Engineering Special Access Program is currently being run. So that's where it's currently being run. Was it always run there? Do they have more than one place? These are questions I have, right? The facility contains a skiff. That's not really that big a deal, to be honest with you. They can make a skiff out of a hotel room immediately in 2 seconds. And has SAP clearance from the Department of Defense. Now that is interesting, right? Special Access Program clearance. I ran an AI search to find more information on the facility, and this was the response I got. That's interesting that he did this, but anyway. Unauthorized attempts to access secure facilities or obtain confidential information are illegal and may lead to serious consequences.
Compression really is a bottomless pit.
Okay, that video just playing again. I don't know. As a public service, this information is being provided for disclosure of the truth to the American people and the public at large. See, this is a good test. Like, are people going to rush this place and storm it and blah, blah, blah? That should show us that we can take this information, right? Let us have the information. We're not going to storm it. Remember there was that big UFO that Ross Coulthart talked about, that a building was built around it. He's like, I don't want to tell anybody, it's going to cause havoc. I don't think it would. Look at this. Look what Mike Disclosure just did. Gave us a specific place, a place I can look up and find. There's information on it. You can go to this place. I think we need more information like this. I say bring it, y'all. Let the floodgates open and let's get this out here, right? And there's a lot going on in Virginia. Let's be real, right? That seems like, I don't know about y'all, but I've lived out there in Pennsylvania. Used to drive around Virginia, Maryland. You would see all these things out in the mountains, especially in Virginia, out in the mountains. You would just see weird things. roads and this, that. There's stuff out there in those mountains. They're
It's
hiding.
compress in the
I'm just
general
saying. God,
sense
did
of
we
what
get it?
compress means. So maybe as we get
So I'm just saying, there's stuff out there. And it wouldn't surprise me. But look at this place. It's beautiful. Beautiful place. This is where they're reverse engineering UFOs, y'all. Right there. The Lighthouse, Suffolk, Virginia. What do y'all think? Tell me in the comments below. Curious to hear what everyone says. I'd be curious, like, how big is the facility, right? It's just part of this because they're obviously running some sort of tons of other programs there as well. So how big is this place in the program and how many people are involved? And you know what I mean? Where is it? Is it literally in this building or a part of it underneath, underground? I mean, they've got to have private stuff, right? They've got to have some secret stuff. So I'm just saying. Something going on. Real quick. Hang on. Let me show y'all this. So real quick, y'all. So right here is sort of a map of the place, right? You can see Center for Innovation. Here it is, right? That's the building we were just looking at. So they've got other places, right? Other buildings around here. Marriott Hotels and Riverstone Shop House. I mean, this has hotel accommodations to stay there, local restaurants to eat at, right? To go to this place, right? The Center for Innovation is open for business. You can hold an event there, right? Non-Lockheed Martin guests must provide a clearance information to the center security office prior to arrival. Foreign national visitors, classified visits, visitors planning to participate in classified meetings. So this is interesting place, but you know, you'll notice there's other buildings, right? It's part of this. But anyway, just saying. What do y'all think? Tell me in the comments down below. Mike from Disclosure telling us, again, the Lighthouse, Suffolk, Virginia, Center for Innovation. That's where UAP reverse engineering is happening, right? How does this all connect? Can someone else come out and confirm this, right? Other sources. Can that source come out publicly and say their name? Just saying. That would be great. So what do y'all think? Real? Not real? All right, y'all. We'll see you on the next video. I'm Patrick with Vetted. Remember, hit that like button. Comment down below what you think. And again, hit that subscribe button, guys. We're well over 2,000. Our next goal is 3,000. So thank y'all again so much for the support. And if you're still watching up to this point, and if you can do me a favor and share this on the Reddit subreddit of aliens. I got banned for 60 days for nonsense, literally nothing, but you know, whatever. Trying to fight with Reddit mods is pointless. So someone can do me a favor and share that. That would be awesome. If not, no worries. All good. All right, y'all. We'll see you on the next video. Remember, every day's a gift. Peace, y'all.